Hello, everyone. If you look at most HR teams today, a lot of their time doesn't actually go into people, it goes into coordination. Answering repetitive queries, managing onboarding follow ups, tracking exits, and before they realize it, most of their day is spent just keeping things running. Whereas ideally, the time should go into decisions like improving engagement, retention, and overall employee experience. This is where nsoffice.ai comes in picture. So what we have done, we have taken these everyday workflows and automated them in a way that HR doesn't have to keep chasing them. We have created HR Intelligence B. Look at it as a consolidated workspace for every HR in an organization. Starting with something very basic, policy queries. Instead of HR answering the same questions again and again, we have built an AI assistant that handles most of it instantly. So HR only steps in when it's actually needed. It is going to answer all the queries automatically. Now, onboarding. This usually involves a lot of moving parts and follow-ups. Instead of managing all of that manually, we have created an onboarding workflow simulation where everything just moves on its own. Once an offer is accepted, all the further steps are triggered on automated basis. Be it the reminder for documentation, notifying IT, or providing access. The whole workflow will be automated from day one. And from here, you can simply monitor everything in one place. What's done, what's pending, and where there might be a risk. So, you are not managing onboarding anymore. You are just overseeing it. Same with the offboarding as well. The moment a resignation comes in, the entire process gets structured automatically. Tasks, timelines, handovers, everything, the whole process, we have orchestrated an exit management. Here also, you can track the ongoing processes. At last, there is retention. Instead of realizing issues after someone resigns, we are actually analyzing signals early. Based on their participation, their behavior pattern analysis, that brings us engagement signals. Based on their feedbacks the employees have submitted, also the market data that we are comparing with, we are giving you a sense of who might be at risk and what you can do about it. So HR gets a chance to act early and not react late. If you step back, the idea here is simple: to take HR out of constant follow-ups and put them back into decision making. Because if one of these workflows run in background, HR teams can actually focus on what matters most: people, culture, and retention. Happy to walk you through this in more detail. Would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.